Here are Anna for you. Take Me Dancing by Gauci. It is a easy intermediate, 64 count, 2 walls. It does have a short tag, danced 3 times, and a long tag of 32 counts, danced twice, back and front. These are the steps. This is how it goes. We have a 7, 8, side toe strut, cross toe strut, right side shuffle, back recover. Second section, side behind, side cross, side shuffle, back replace. The counts, first 2 sections are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. The next section is our first turn. Side behind, quarter scuff, left rocking chair. I'll keep on going. 2 paddle turns or quarter pivot. 2 toe struts, left toe strut, right toe strut. So we have done our side shuffle, back recover. Third section, 1, 2, 3, scuff, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, turn 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our next section I call our back hitch section. Forward, recover, step left back, hitch right, back together, cross with a hold. Side together, cross, which is a scissor, with a hold. Quarter, half, step right forward, scuff left forward. So we're facing 9 o'clock and we've just done our toe strut, last toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, scuff 8. We're nearly there. Left rocking chair, forward recover, back recover, step half pivot, step forward, hold. Right rocking chair, forward recover, back recover. Take a note here after that right rocking chair. On count 60, we'll keep on going. Step, half pivot, step, half pivot. Let's put that together with counts. I'll keep this in my hand. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, turn 2, 3, turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1 together, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, scuff 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of the first wall, we're going to stomp right, stomp left, clap, clap. And those counts, though that is a tag, so the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's do the back wall. 7, 8, side strut, cross strut, side shuffle, back recover, side behind, side cross, side shuffle, back recover, side behind, quarter scuff, left rocking chair, paddle turn, toe strut, forward recover, back hitch, back together cross, side together cross, quarter half forward scuff, left rocking chair, step half pivot, step forward, right rocking chair, and we restart here, toe strut, cross strut, right rocking chair. Now our long tag is side strut, cross strut, side strut, back recover, side strut, cross toe strut, side toe strut, back recover, right together forward, step half pivot, step forward, right together back, back together, cross, then we start the dance again. And that is done waltz 2 and 4. Now, we'll be facing the back to end the dance. We have a step, half pivot, step, half pivot. Just do another one. Step, half pivot to finish the dance to the front. Hope that helps.